Good morning. My name is Mike Johnson from the Minneapolis Fire Department. I'm the salvage driver on the B shift. We're going to learn how to fill air bottles in the fire station. So, different than the fire ground, the rig is not going to be on. We need to get power to our compressor. So the way we do that is here on the wall next to the fire truck is our power source. And we're going to plug into the same generator position as we would our cord if we were at the fire ground. So, everything's the same from here on in. Power to our fire truck. This will be off. We go power on. We'll hear a beep on our computer, which lets us know there's power to our computer. The right-hand white button, give us power, give us our starting process. We go over to the left white button. It says normal. We'll push that. It says auto. We'll push that. It says run, and we'll push that. Now our compressor is on. Come to the back of the rig. Open up our fill station door. We can fill 4 bottles here. These are where the air bottles go. Air bottles are stored on either side of the back of the rig. Take a couple air bottles. Fire them into the rig. These are filling hoses. They can be pulled out. As you see, they're adjustable. Make it easier for us. Hook up our air bottles. Make sure the coupling from the fill station to the bottle is very tight. Okay, now we shut our bleeder valves. They're just snug. These are brass. These are just snug. Now we turn on our fill station valve and our bottle. If we hear a leak, we'll go ahead and turn them back off. Leak the pressure off. Maybe we're not tight on the bottle, which we'll check that. Maybe we're not tight on our valve, on our bleeder valve. We'll check that. We'll go again. No leaks. We're good to go. They don't have to be turned on all the way. A couple turns is good. A couple turns is good. All right, close our fill station door. Now we're ready to start filling. Everything here on the rig is always left on. The filling actually starts when the door is closed. It's hooked by a cable to a valve, and when the door is closed, the filling starts. This is our regulated pressure valve, our gauge and our valve. We want to get our bottles at 4,750 pounds. The way to do that is with this valve. It turns hard. Start slow and start low. Most of the time, this will be preset at 4,000 pounds. Now we can control this. Little by little, we inch our gauge up to the full. We have to do it slow. If we do it too fast, our relief valve will go off. And that sounds like this. Now at that point, we're filling too fast and we're discharging all our air, not going into the bottle, it's going out of the rig and it's depleting our storage. We don't want to do that. Back it off and start over, little by little. You shouldn't hear anything. Alright, at this point, we're getting very close. Once we get into this range, the 4,800 pound to 5,000 pound range, and we don't hear any bleeding off, we can go ahead and check our bottles for fullness. Okay. See that we're high into the green here. We're at the outer edge of the green, and that's exactly where we want to be. So at this point, we have turned the bottle off, turn the fill station off, undo the bleeder, and take the bottle off the fill hose. We'll cap it. That's filling bottles in the fire station.